What if you could package your expertise into a custom AI assistant and sell it over and over while you sleep? That's exactly what I've been doing for the past 6 months, selling custom GPTs on Gumroad and earning consistent 3K, 5K a month with just a few hours of work each week. It started simply. I'm a productivity coach, and clients kept asking the same questions. How do I plan my week? What's the best way to run a 1-1? Can you help me draft a difficult email? Instead of answering manually every time, I built a custom GPT trained on my frameworks, templates, and communication style. It could guide users through my exact planning method, generate meeting agendas, or draft compassionate messages on demand. I didn't code anything. Using OpenAI's custom GPT builder, I uploaded my PDF guides, Notion pages, and past client emails. Then I wrote clear instructions. You're a calm, experienced productivity coach. Guide users step by step. Never guess. If unsure, ask for clarification. Within an hour, my AI twin was alive. Next, I created a simple landing page on Gumroad. No fancy website.
Then, I shared it quietly, with past clients in my newsletter and in a few niche LinkedIn groups where people were already asking for help. No ads, no hype, just value. The response was immediate. People didn't just buy it, they loved it. Why? Because it wasn't a generic chatbot. It felt like talking to me anytime they needed guidance.
One client messaged, "I used your GPT at 2 a.m. before a big meeting, and it gave me the exact framework I needed. It's like having you in my pocket." That's the magic. Custom GPTs deliver personalized, expert-level advice at scale. And because they're sold as one-time digital products, there's zero fulfillment overhead. Gumroad handles payment, delivery, and VAT. I just collect revenue. I've since built GPTs for other niches, a brand voice assistant for copywriters, a lesson planner for teachers, and a fitness coach for busy moms. Each sells for $19.49, and together they generate passive income that compounds. The key isn't the tech, it's the positioning. I don't sell AI, I sell access to my brain, packaged as a trusted, always available tool. If you have expertise, coaching, writing, design, consulting, you can do this too. Identify a repeatable problem you solve. Build a GPT that delivers your method and sell it as a digital product. The barrier to entry has never been lower, and the market is hungry for human-centered AI, not flashy bots. If you found this valuable, please like this video, share it with a coach, creator, or consultant who could benefit, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest videos on AI-powered entrepreneurship, ethical innovation, and smart strategies for solopreneurs in 2025. Let's build the future, profitably and purposefully, together.